guys, so it's currently 8:58 a.m. I gotta go do a morning shift. Germany versus Croatia game is insane. So many headers, and then like so many of like the goals like being bunched at like the goalie. I'm literally shaking so much. I have like till 7 to get ready. The boy that I like, he asked me out to dinner, so I have to go get ready right now.
Hairbrush at her lips, towel hugs her hips. Ooh.
So it's currently like 12:40 p.m. Yesterday I had a date with a guy. I was literally so nervous for it yesterday. Like, I don't know if you could see, but like my room is so messy because I was just like rushing to get ready. It's been like a while since I've actually like wanted to date, and I'm gonna be seeing him again today or later today. I literally like had the best time. I literally can't even think straight. Like, I'm running around like a headless chicken right now. Like, I think I just gotta clean up and then eat. Just like clean up around my place and then get ready.
The only baskin that I like was before Robin season. Everything you have is all you need, like Ron.
I got kicked out of a empty classroom because the caretaker said like that the classrooms were closed at this time and I'm only allowed to be in like the common study areas. So I'm in like staircase. I made my smoothie because I'm hungry. I need to like regulate or start having this. Yesterday, the fire alarm went off in the evening, now again.
Fire panel shows that the fire alarm is active or on set. Mechanical room, please await further instructions. Attention to all residents, staff and guests. A fire option update in your suite with the door closed, or if you feel that you are in danger, you might exit your suite and use the stairwell to exit the building. Our fire panel shows that the fire alarm is active on the mechanical room. Please await further instructions.
Wow, it's literally a blizzard out. So it's currently 4:26 p.m. I feel so much better now that I took a hot shower to think. Finally got my Adsense pin code that they sent to you. I had this sent like 3 times. I think this is the 3rd time that I had it sent, and it just never came to my address. It's just like the pin code so that they like can confirm that it's like the right address that you put. It says to like remove this. It's kind of like a pay stub, I guess. Like removing it right now. I guess now I can start like collecting or earning again on YouTube. Because I didn't have the code or I didn't have the pin that was sent to me to remove that. It's currently 12:09 p.m. I got up I woke up at like 9, I think 9:18, 9:20. Still haven't left my bed. I didn't even like take off my makeup. I didn't even take a shower last night. I was supposed to do my paper because I just have one paper for my cognitive science class, but I didn't even do that yesterday. I got to do laundry and everything, but like being in my bed just like moping around and then crying and then like forcing myself to like do something productive or like get myself together for the day, I guess. But I always come back to like, I guess, crying, being sad, and then so it's currently 1:46 p.m. I think I'm just gonna clean like my dorm and everything because they're gonna do inspections tomorrow for the 4th floor. So I have to like make sure everything is like, I guess, good in this room. I also got to do laundry, take out the recycling, take a shower, get myself like together because I want to go get my eyebrows done, and I need to get some things at Fairview Mall. I gotta organize like some stuff on my computer, like some files that I like transfer and everything onto my hard drive. So I have to like organize that. Yeah, I need a vacuum. I don't know, I just need to like clean and everything too. It feels like a ghost town in this residence right now. I know everybody's like on winter break right now, but it feels so empty, like without, I don't even hear any sound like in the hallways or anything, just like nothing. So it's currently 9:37 p.m. Just got back from Fairview Mall. I realized I like don't have a lot of stuff that I need since like moving out in January. I got the wrong curler last time. I got like a thicker curler. This time I got like a thinner one. I realized I really needed a hairdryer because I like take showers in the morning too. So I realized that I didn't have one. Pantyhose I really need the ones that go all the way up, but I mean this is the only one that I could find. It'll cover my skirt. I only have like one purse, so I needed like another one. It's the same color, black and gold, but it's good to have different ones. I gotta get different colored ones in like different styles too. I don't know, I forget how the lady opened it. Different like necklaces, because I don't have many. And then just like some other stuff, jackets. Ran out of these. I run out of stuff like so fast now.